Ka Kenhun Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, Balalam Khmat Daka National People's Party, Hakas Ngibaar, Kalarake ka Jinyel Enti ka Basaus Nem Kenti, Ban Panyai ika Sensyar ka Khadar, Nadu bakali obat Ulakam Sensyar, Hakani ka Jela Meghalaya, Haka Hendru Tarik Uluber Arjakat Pra. Habakran hakane ka Sengi, Umentri Rangba Ula Puturoiru Yashibun ki Kampenroy, Bagane ka Sarkar Senrob, Kalale hakani ki Saus Nem. Shuakane, Kinong Sengkam Baper, Kibadana po ki self-help group, Kilai Kuble ka Sarkar Jela, Kabala Plilat leng baki skim Jingarap, Ki Baper hakabaki lala, Ban Yang halaki jong ki Kijat. Lapan syangkun ya kene ka Sengi, da ki Jingshat, ki Jingruai, ka Jing Plai ba, ya ka Balalum Thup, ya ki Jing Tre jong ka Sarkar MDA, hakani ki Saus Nem Balalek no.
Henry Mahaban Lake Shikha Kitam. The Kalama Kabaye Mah Kamini Kanthi Kikana, but Kamban Bahai, who Yamashma Matana away, but in Punjaba, Ikikna, Tindivan Sumar, Ikna, Kitab. The Kumba Swatch Para Mission, Kalawara, Ikipankana, Ikitli Johnny. House Nam Ahajar Kata, but some Ajar Katna, your wife Santa Kipankana, but Kunjo was Nam Ahajar Akaway, Akoa, by your Santa Kipankana, Kipara, Kilok Sapotali. But Kunjo, Yaka, sorted with waste management, Kabayo Kisolbits, Kikan post times. Tiga orang ini hanya bagi enam tempat itu dikirimkan yang juga bagai. Hanya kita kejar ke belakang yang hanya bagi enam. Bandar ini yang juga bentuk kami kisah berkunjung bandar ke action bertahi para pegawai. Dikunjung ya kejar juga mission. Na aku beri kejar juga mission kalau ada itu cuma toy mission berjumpa. Hanya bangun cerah di habitat ini wah kebajikan mission. Hanya bagi bentuk kunjung kilang kami kilang kabai. Kabang tinggal ni habla iki kho kista ki kyu bali tong on ko iki kho ki pare ki haban na iki ki me ki janki but itu iki skol ki chumpuri puthi ka ktar ki chumpuri ka janki ne rinda ka jal chuban mission kalau wan lai ki chuban toy ba chesta person ni ba diwa iki ko on haman ki thiri ni jangi ki dan dosan di ki lamye krishna ko jangi but kunjuro ka jal chuban mission kana ai ka jin toy hakabang na bentuk kami kini kita bangun di kunjung kalau kabakui.
RBCS national journey, vanilla yo dan ya share dan ya snap tilang, kabang hatan kunjung journey kunjung kelayaran nanti ini, hadu di office lembaga hapo bising department, ke Banadoi tengah lembaga Midland Project.
From Awanim, I am from Maran, from the newly formed district Eastern West Khasi Hills, and I stand here to share my experience from the Aspire training program and how it has helped me personally. I've given so much, I could speak all day, but time is limited, so I'll just highlight the important points. First of all, the most dearest thing I've learned is the values. Values like trust, loyalty, respect, responsibility. These values are not available in the market, but must be cultivated in our daily lives, in our hearts. So, from the training program, I learned that these values are very important. Like the unbelievable government that works like a team, we also learn the value of teamwork, where together everyone can achieve more.
I think the most important part of the program was really to listen to the citizens of our state on the different things that were done. And we always believe that we should talk less and do more. So I don't think we want to break that principle also. But I must take this opportunity, first of all, by appreciating and thanking the people who have made these last 4 years possible. And therefore, I start with the Almighty for really blessing us and guiding us in these last 4 years. And many challenges have come our way, as has been mentioned by so many of our leaders. But in those challenges and those difficult times, somehow there was always a guiding force that we could feel. And I truly believe that He has led us from above to these difficult times and blessed us with all the blessings that we have seen in our beautiful state in the last 4 years. I want to thank our cabinet colleagues who have really worked very, very hard and dedicatedly for all the work that they have done in the last 4 years. Also the honorable MLAs who have also been individuals who have really focused and worked at their constituency level, our chief secretaries, our officials, and all the team members who have really made the last 4 years possible.